Hi, I'm Osiri Wisdom, the convener of the Mountain Summit and the Father and Son Adventure. Welcome to 100 Days of Wisdom, Season 7. Today is day 29, and I'm discussing something important in the series, Man Up, 100 Wisdom for Authentic Masculinity. Today, day 29, I'm talking about make informed decisions. You see, a lot of men, are overwhelmed with the amount of decisions that we have to take. But if you're a man that is not married, you have families, or you just a work or something, once they're gonna have so many thousands of decisions to take. Don't make those decisions just based on your emotions. Don't base your decision based on one side of the story. Make sure that you are the type of person that you are not hushed, you are not hurried, to make decision. All right, you have to think through because your decisions have implications in the lives of other people. People are going to base their life, base their other things about them based on the decision you take. So you want to make sure your decisions are well cooked. You want to make sure that your decisions are well nurtured. You want to make sure your decisions are well thought out. Ask other people, research, find out before you take a decision. Don't take a decision that you just sat down all by yourself without thinking through, without referencing anything or anybody, and then you just take decision. No, take decisions that are driving your life, the lives of other people forward. Don't take rash decision. Don't take decisions where you are not properly informed on the consequence, because every decision you make turns around to make you, because decisions determines destiny. So you want to make decisions that will impact the lives of other people around you in a positive way, not in any way negative. I want you to know this. Follow me on all my social media handles as displayed on the screen. Follow my YouTube channel, subscribe, share, comment, and then like all the videos that were played all these days and the previous years. I can tell you they will be a mighty blessing for you. All right? Remember, when you man up, everyone around you wins. The man thing is the main